Measuring just got smarter. Forget the old tape measures. Today, we're looking at tools that combine laser precision with digital convenience. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 best smart laser tape measures you can buy right now. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Nohawk T2 Smart Laser Tape Measure. The Nohawk T2 Smart Laser Tape Measure represents a significant advancement in measurement technology, combining precision and convenience for a variety of applications. Unlike traditional tape measures that rely solely on manual reading, the Nohawk T2 features a digital display that enhances intuitiveness and reduces the chance of errors caused by visual misjudgment. This feature allows users to quickly and accurately read measurements without second-guessing their results. Designed with versatility in mind, the device excels in both near and far-distance measurements. Its ability to lock the current position in real time while the tape is being pulled out ensures reliable data capture. Users can easily retract the tape with the press of a button, streamlining the measuring process. Moreover, the Nohawk T2 is well-suited for measuring non-planar distances, enabling continuous scanning that provides real-time distance data even on uneven surfaces. The device operates in multiple modes, tailored to different measurement needs. Upon powering on, it defaults to single measurement mode. However, with a simple press of the mode button, users can switch between various functional modes: area mode, volume mode, Pythagorean mode, storage mode, and reference switching mode. These modes allow the device to handle complex measurements, such as calculating areas and volumes or applying Pythagorean theorem for indirect distance measurement. A unique feature of the Nohawk T2 is its storage mode, which lets users save measurement data for later use. In addition, the reference switching mode is accessible by placing the device in storage mode and pressing the power button for 3 seconds, allowing users to switch between front and rear measurement references depending on the task at hand. Overall, the Nohawk T2 Smart Laser Tape Measure blends advanced technology with practical design, making it an ideal tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand precision, efficiency, and ease of use in their measurement tasks. Coming in at number 4, we have the Nuxin AC-90 Smart Laser Tape Measure. The Nuxin AC-90 Smart Laser Tape Measure is a precision tool designed for accuracy, durability, and ease of use. Its core feature is a 50-meter laser distance measurement capability with an impressive accuracy of up to 0.001 meters and an error margin as low as 2 millimeters. This high level of precision is supported by a powerful transmission and reception system, enhancing both emission and reception rates to achieve millimeter-level measurement accuracy. Constructed with a high-quality carbon steel ruler, the tape measure boasts sharpened edges and strong toughness, making it resistant to bending and breaking. The carbon steel is coated with nylon, which adds wear and scratch resistance, ensuring longevity even under heavy use. The ruler shell is coated with TPR rubber, providing excellent shock resistance and durability, making the device capable of withstanding drops and rough handling. The Nuxin AC-90 offers dual-scale measurement with both inches and centimeters clearly displayed on dual-line scales. This high-precision dual-scale design eliminates errors and improves clarity when reading measurements, accommodating various user preferences and applications. For convenience, the tape measure features a self-locking brake button that allows one-button braking. This function enables automatic locking of the tape measure, allowing users to start and stop measurements freely and quickly without the need for manual adjustments. The overall design emphasizes a seamless and efficient measuring process, suitable for both professional and personal use. At number 3, the Kkmoon Smart Laser Tape Measure. The Kkmoon Smart Laser Tape Measure is a versatile and precise measuring tool designed to meet a variety of measurement needs with ease. Featuring a high-precision coated manganese steel tape, this device ensures durability and accuracy, making it suitable for both professional and everyday use. The tape's robust coating protects it from wear, extending the life of the tool even under frequent use. One of the standout features of the Kkmoon Smart Laser Tape Measure is its high-definition digital display, which allows users to read measurements clearly and quickly. This feature enhances usability, especially in environments where lighting conditions may not be optimal. The device also supports measurement data storage, enabling users to save their readings for reference and comparison, streamlining tasks that require multiple measurements. Designed with flexibility in mind, the tape measure incorporates a front and rear reference switching function. This allows users to switch between different measurement bases effortlessly, catering to a range of measurement scenarios and preferences. The device supports multiple units of measurement, including meters, inches, and feet, accommodating different standards and user requirements. In terms of accuracy, the Kkmoon Smart Laser Tape Measure offers a precision of plus or minus 2 millimeters, ensuring reliable and consistent results. It is powered by a lithium polymer battery, which also supports the laser function operating at a wavelength between 620 to 670 nanometers, with a power output of less than or equal to 1 milliwatt, making it safe and effective for precise distance measurements. Overall, the Kkmoon Smart Laser Tape Measure combines accuracy, durability, and smart features to provide a reliable tool for accurate distance measurement in various settings. In the second spot, we have the Radlum Smart Laser Tape Measure. The Radlum Smart Laser Tape Measure is an innovative tool designed to combine precision, versatility, and convenience in one compact device. This 3-in-1 digital tape measure integrates a high-precision laser rangefinder with a traditional steel tape measure, providing users with multiple measurement options suitable for various tasks. At its core, the Radlum Smart Laser Tape Measure features a laser rangefinder capable of delivering accurate distance readings with remarkable ease. This technology allows users to measure long distances quickly and reliably, eliminating the need for manual estimation or cumbersome tools. Whether measuring the length of a room, the height of a wall, or the distance between 2 points outdoors, the laser rangefinder ensures precision that meets professional standards. In addition to its laser capabilities, the device includes a steel tape measure that offers the tactile reliability many users appreciate. The steel tape is sturdy and designed to withstand regular use, allowing for straightforward manual measurements when laser measurement may not be feasible or preferred. This dual functionality makes the Radlum tape measure particularly useful for contractors, architects, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone requiring flexible measuring solutions. The smart digital interface enhances user experience by providing clear readings in easy-to-use controls. The digital display simplifies reading measurements, minimizing errors commonly associated with traditional tape measures. This smart feature also helps users switch seamlessly between laser and tape modes, adapting to different measurement needs with minimal effort. Compact and portable, the Radlum Smart Laser Tape Measure is suitable for a variety of environments, from construction sites and workshops to home improvement projects. Its design prioritizes usability and accuracy, offering a reliable tool that supports efficient measurement tasks. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mileseey DT11 Smart Laser Tape Measure. The Mileseey DT11 Smart Laser Tape Measure combines the precision of laser measuring technology with the reliability of a traditional tape measure, delivering a versatile tool for various measuring tasks. This 1.2-in-1 device is designed to meet different measurement demands with high accuracy, boasting a laser measurement precision of plus or minus 2 millimeters thanks to its built-in laser measuring module. Designed for convenience and sustainability, the DT11 features a rechargeable lithium battery, making it energy efficient and environmentally friendly. The device incorporates smart energy-saving functions. The laser automatically powers off after 30 seconds of inactivity, and the LCD display turns off after 180 seconds without use, extending battery life and reducing power waste. Operation is straightforward, with 3 dedicated buttons that enhance functionality. Users can easily switch between measurement modes, access measurement history, perform continuous measurements, and toggle units between meters, inches, and feet. This simple interface ensures an efficient measuring process suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The tape measure is equipped with a reverse display LCD screen with HD backlight, which reduces glare and improves visibility in various lighting conditions. The magnetic hook adds further utility by securely attaching to metal surfaces, improving measurement stability and accuracy during use. Constructed for durability, the DT11's tape is coated with nylon to resist wear, slipping, and impacts from drops. Its compact design includes a back clip, allowing users to conveniently carry the tape measure on their belt or in a pocket. This makes it practical for use across a wide range of environments, including rooms, factories, warehouses, high places, home decoration, and construction sites. Overall, the Mileseey DT11 Smart Laser Tape Measure offers a modern approach to measuring tools by blending precision, durability, and user-friendly features in one compact device.